The project consisted of work across 10 floors. We had about 9 floors of fit out, 6 broadcast studios, a range of different broadcasting support areas, an 86 rack data centre, so it was quite a large scale technical build.
The build has a lot of acoustics and services related project aspects to it. The project was completed during construction of a high rise, which is quite unique, and it was a D&C large project as well.
In essence, what we've built here is a building within a building. So the Nine premise is completely resilient from an energy perspective, completely resilient from a mechanical perspective, and it also has resilience from a hydraulic perspective in that there's 50,000 litres of water sitting in the basement that should the building become cut off from utilities, Nine can continue to operate what is a 24/7 essential service business.
We took a real collaborative approach when working with the base builder. Lots of communication to make sure that there were no hiccups or roadblocks along the way.
You need a builder like Buildcorp that has the right safety, the right procedures, and just gives the tier 1 builder the level of confidence that they're working with someone that is like-minded to them.
Buildcorp brought a successful track record of working with large tier 1 construction companies. They had the expertise and the capability of being able to work in what was a highly complex environment with multiple contractors.
They both had a common goal to complete, and they worked hand in glove to hand it over on time and successfully.
The data centre was a real technical build for us, and it was a challenge being completed so early in the project. We've got over 190 kilometres of fibre optic cabling, 90 kilometres of Cat6 cabling within there. We've got full redundancy. We did have a requirement for an early handover of that data centre to get that up and operating.
Nine has 2 dedicated generators. Chillers are the same to cool the essential equipment that's required in all of the edit suites and our studio requirements and studio facilities, which need to be kept at optimal temperatures.
So this is NEC's largest studio, which is Studio A. Approximately 450 square metres. So up above all these lighting rigs that you can see is power and data. There's structural steel that supports all of these lighting rigs. We did spend a lot of time with different broadcast consultants engaged by NEC, a lot of time with the acoustic engineer, met all of their needs, and then we tailored the suit as required.
It was really good from day one. The Nine team integrated very well with the Buildcorp team, and the Buildcorp team have been nothing short of brilliant in their ability to work with Nine, understand what Nine needed and the timeframes that Nine might have needed to make certain decisions along the way, which is always a bit challenging when you're pouring concrete one day and you need a decision the next day.
Nine had involved their staff throughout the job is they would run a weekly site tour. So everyone that did come to site were very happy even just to set foot on a construction site, put on a pink Buildcorp hard hat and work their way through the project.
The client was just an amazing client to work with. They trusted Buildcorp, they trusted their consultant team to do their job. And when you've got a client that trusts you, you want to bring out the best, and that was reflected in the end product.
There are some fantastic milestones along the way and an enormous sense of relief to now be sitting here in such a fantastic facility as it's being commissioned and going live, and knowing that you've had a hand in something that's going to well and truly outlive you.